Welcome to Take a Leap channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to resolve performance issue after upgrading to Windows 11 23H2 on your desktop or laptop computers. Now at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and type WinVar and just go to WinVar. In here, you can see the version of your Windows. As you can see, my version is 23H2 and I'm facing some performance issue. So just click on OK. Now, to fix those performance issue, what I need to do is just open my PowerShell. For that, I need to go to my search and type PowerShell. Then you'll find Windows PowerShell in the best match. Just click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After that, you just need to go to the description of this video. There, you'll find 3 commands. Just copy and paste the first command from the description of the video in the PowerShell. Then just click on Enter. Then just wait. Click on A. Then that has been done. Then just copy the second command and also paste it here. Click on Enter. Then just give it a few moments. It will work. And there you go. It has been done. Then what you have to do is just copy the third command and paste it in here as well. Now the third command is gonna take a bit time. It will take 3 to 4 minutes, and after it has been done, we can move to the next step. I'm just gonna close it for now. You let this complete. Make sure it has been done 100%. Then just close this. After that, what you need to do is just go to your Windows search again. In here, search for Windows Security. Just open up Windows Security. Just maximize the window. From here, just go to Device Security. And in here, you'll find Core Isolation Details. Just click on this. And in here, just make sure Memory Integrity is turned on. After that, just close this again. Now, just go ahead and restart your PC and your performance issue will be resolved. And that is how to resolve performance issue after upgrading to Windows 11 23H2 on your laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.